Hello! Today's day 4 of my reading challenge. Today's subject is animal main character. Today I have Dog Breath by Dave Pilkey. Let's get started. From the #1 New York Times best-selling curator of Dogman, Dog Breath, The Horrible Trouble with Halitosis by Dave Pilkey. There once was a dog named Hallie who lived with the Tosis family. Halitosis was a very good dog, but she had a big problem. Halitosis had horrible breath. Whenever Halitosis opened her mouth, horrible things happened. When the children took Halitosis for a walk, everyone else walked on the other side of the street. Even stunts avoided Halitosis. But the real trouble started one day when Grandma Tosis stopped by for a cup of tea, and Hallie jumped up to say hello. Mr. and Mrs. Tosis were not amused. Something had to be done about that smelly dog, they said. The next day, Mr. and Mrs. Tosis decided to find a new home for Hallie. The children knew only one way to save their dog was to get rid of her bad breath. So they took Halitosis on the top of a mountain that had a breathtaking view. They hoped that the breathtaking view would take Hallie's breath away, but it didn't. Next, the children took Halitosis to a very exciting movie. They hoped that all the excitement would leave Hallie breathless. But it didn't. Finally, the children took Halitosis to a carnival. They hoped that Hallie would lose her breath on the speedy roller coaster. But that idea stumped too. The plans to change Hallie's bad breath have failed. Now only a miracle to save Halitosis. Sadly, the three friends said good night, aware that a miracle was just on the horizon. Later that night, when everyone was sound asleep, 2 sneaky burglars crept into the Tosis house. The 2 burglars were tiptoeing through the dark, quiet room when suddenly they came upon Halitosis. "Yikes!" whispered one burglar. "It's a big, mean, scary dog." Don't be silly," whispered the other burglar. "That's only a cute little fuzzy puppy." The 2 burglars diddled at the sight. "Such a friendly little dog. That doesn't hurt a fly," whispered one burglar. "Come here, Poochie Poochie," whispered the other. So Halitosis came over and gave the burglars a nice bit. The next morning, the Tosis family awoke to find 2 burglars passed out stood cold on their living room floor. It was a miracle. The Toast family got a big reward for turning in the crooks, and soon Hallie Toast was the most famous crime-fighting dog in the country. In the end, Mr. and Mrs. Toast changed their minds about finding a new home for Hallie. They decided to keep their wonderful watchdog after all. Because life without Hallie Toast just wouldn't make any sense. Well, I hope you enjoyed the book. I know I did. I hope you enjoyed next video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And please also go on my Instagram channel at Shop Knows Lemon. Bye!